Market update, 11th November 2025. Benchmarks extend gains for second day on positive global cues. Domestic equity benchmarks continued their upward momentum for the second straight session on Tuesday, lifted by strong buying in IT, auto, and metal counters. Investor sentiment remained upbeat amid encouraging global signals and optimism over a potential India-US trade agreement. The Nifty 50 climbed above the 25,650 mark, supported by advances in heavyweight stocks from the technology and automobile space. Meanwhile, the Sensex gained 335.97 points, or 0.40%, to close at 83,871.32, and the Nifty 50 added 120.60 points, or 0.47%, to end at 25,694.95. Over 2 sessions, the Sensex and Nifty have risen nearly 0.8% each. Key market drivers. Among top performers, Bharat Electronics jumped 2.52%, Mahindra & Mahindra advanced 2.40%, and HDFC Bank added 0.75%, boosting the benchmark index. In the broader market, the BSE Mid-Cap Index rose 0.20%, while the Small-Cap Index edged 0.09% lower. Market breadth was negative, 1,898 stocks gained, while 2,294 declined on the BSE. The India VIX, a gauge of near-term volatility, rose 1.54% to 12.49. US-India trade deal hopes. Adding to investor optimism, US President Donald Trump said that India and the US are pretty close to finalizing a new trade agreement that would benefit both nations. Trump hinted at the possibility of lower tariffs on Indian imports, acknowledging India's strong negotiation stance and praising its reduced reliance on Russian oil. Stocks in focus. Bajaj Finserv dropped 6.26% after cutting its FY26 AUM growth outlook to 22-23%. Vodafone Idea surged 7.68%, narrowing its quarterly loss to Rs 5,524 crore, driven by rising 4G and 5G subscribers. Britannia Industries slipped 2.68% after the sudden resignation of CEO Varun Berry. ONGC fell 0.76% despite posting a 5.4% rise in quarterly profit to Rs 10,785 crore. Ather Energy rallied 5.58% on robust Q2 results and strong revenue growth of 54% year-on-year. ESAB India spurted 8.39%, reporting a 27% YoY rise in PAT. Bharat Forge jumped 5.62% after posting 23% growth in net profit to Rs 299 crore. Atul Auto soared 9.51% on strong earnings, while All-Time Plastics and Sula Vineyards slipped on weaker quarterly performance. IPO Corner. Physicswallah IPO subscribed 0.07 times on day 1, price band Rs 103 to 109 per share. MV Photovoltaic Power IPO subscribed 0.09 times, price band Rs 206 to 217 per share. Pine Labs IPO saw strong demand, subscribed 2.46 times with a price band of Rs 210 to 221 per share. With strong global cues, optimism around trade relations, and easing inflation fears, the Indian markets look poised to maintain their positive momentum. However, investors are advised to stay watchful ahead of key inflation data and global macroeconomic developments later this week. That's it for now. Stay tuned for tomorrow.